Welcome to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're diving into a unique and practical product, an earwax removal kit with a built-in camera. This tool claims to offer a high-definition view of your ear canal, making it easier to clean and remove earwax effectively. Let's take a look at how it stacks up in terms of performance, ease of use, and overall value. This earwax removal kit comes equipped with some pretty high-tech features. First off, the kit includes a 1080p HD camera with 6 LED lights, promising clear visibility while cleaning. It's designed to help you not just with earwax removal, but with checking other body parts like your nose, teeth, throat, and even scalp roots. The camera's temperature is supposed to mimic the human body temperature, ensuring it's safe to use. The kit offers a set of 7 ear scoops, each with a different curvature, so you can find the best fit for your ear canal. The silicone ear scoop covers are designed to prevent any scratching or discomfort during use, which is great for safety. In terms of power, the tool has a 350 mAh rechargeable battery, which gives you about 90 minutes of use after a full charge. And with an impressive 30-day standby time, you don't have to worry about frequent charging. It also supports both Android and iOS devices. Simply scan a QR code to download the app, connect to the device's Wi-Fi, and you're ready to start. Photos and videos you capture during use are saved within the app, and if you want, you can also store them directly in your phone's album. In real-world use, I found the setup process to be relatively straightforward. The app was easy to download, and the Wi-Fi connection was quick and seamless. Once everything was connected, the camera gave a sharp, clear view of the ear canal, and the LED lights made it easier to see every angle. The ear scoops are fairly comfortable, though I did notice that the silicone covers sometimes don't stay perfectly in place, so it's something to keep in mind during use. One of the highlights for me was the camera quality. The 1080p HD resolution really does help when you're trying to get a close-up of what's going on in your ear canal. The adjustable ear scoop curvature is another great feature because it lets you customize the tool to your needs. However, the tool could be a bit more sturdy. While it's functional, the build felt a little flimsy at times, especially when switching between different scoops. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the camera quality and lighting are excellent for such a product, and the ability to view inside your ear canal in real time is a game changer. The multiple ear scoops give you options, and the silicone covers provide a protective layer, making the process much gentler on the ear canal. The long battery life is a big plus too. On the downside, the overall build quality didn't quite match my expectations. The device feels a bit delicate, and the silicone ear scoop covers occasionally slip off. Also, the app can be a little tricky to navigate at times, especially if you're not familiar with such technology. When it comes to value for money, this product offers solid functionality, but I do think the price might be a bit high for what you get in terms of build quality. If you're mainly after the camera feature, it does deliver, but there are similar tools available for a lower price, which might be worth considering. In terms of comparisons, you can find other ear cleaning kits on the market with camera capabilities, but they typically don't come with the variety of ear scoops or the 1080p camera resolution that this one offers. Some alternatives focus purely on ear cleaning without the added tech, which might be simpler if you're just looking for a traditional solution. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive, tech-enhanced ear cleaning experience, this tool offers some unique features. The build quality is decent, but I wouldn't say it's built to last forever. It's functional for short-term use, but I'd be cautious about long-term durability. As for customer support, I didn't have to interact with the brand's service team, so I can't speak to that. But the product's reputation in the market seems generally positive. If you're in the market for something more budget-friendly, there are simpler earwax removal kits available, but they likely won't have the added camera and app functionality. It's a trade-off between price and features. To wrap things up, this earwax removal kit does a good job overall. The camera's clarity and the multiple ear scoops are valuable, but the build quality and app experience could use some improvement. If you're someone who values technology and clear visuals during your ear cleaning routine, this product could be a good fit. However, if you're looking for something more basic and durable, you might want to consider alternatives. Mid-review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit that bell icon for more honest reviews and tips on all things beauty and tech. Thanks for watching today's review. If you've already tried this product or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. The link to grab the product is in the comments box as well. Goodbye till next time, and remember, take care of your ears as much as you take care of your beauty. Beautyistic style.